2022 Aston Martin DBX. Pros: fantastic handling, comfortable and easy around town, dramatic, elegant styling. Cons: aspirational pricing, only one engine option, for now. Not as quick as rivals. Aston Martin DBX Expert Review. Aston Martin DBX Expert Review. The time has passed for grumbling about performance automakers building SUVs. Turns out, they're pretty good at it, and Aston Martin is no exception with the DBX. Aston introduced the DBX as its first SUV for the 2021 model year, and for 2022 it gains some new equipment, including colossal 23-inch wheels. The DBX competes with other exotic luxury SUVs including the Bentley Bentayga, Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and Land Rover Range Rover. What's new? Chevron can now be configured with 23-inch wheels. New Sports Plus seat option. Wireless charging now available. What we think? Aston Martin may have borrowed the engine, transmission, and electrical architecture of the DBX from its partners at Mercedes-AMG, but the rest of the vehicle has been engineered in-house. And it's fantastic. The DBX's stretched wheelbase, low roofline, and low weight compared to its competition contribute to strong performance and lithe, athletic handling. The brakes deserve special praise. They're easy to modulate but still provide confidence-inspiring bite. The DBX never feels as if Aston Martin compromised the driving experience to accommodate its elevated driving position, 5-seat cabin, or sizable footprint. In fact, Aston's SUV manages to handle, look, and sound about as great as its sports cars. Not only that, the DBX is as docile and comfortable as you'd expect of a six-figure luxury SUV. Closing our first impressions, we said the DBX drives better than any other luxury performance SUV on the market today. Performance and efficiency. Aston is only offering its DBX SUV with one powertrain option. That, of course, is the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 that can also be found under the hoods of the Aston Martin Vantage and DB11, as well as countless brutes from the folks at Mercedes-AMG. In the DBX, it delivers 542 HP and 516 lb-ft of torque. The engine routes that power to all four wheels with help from a 9-speed automatic. As for fuel economy, the DBX was EPA rated at 14/18 mpg city/highway for 2021. Those hoping for better numbers will be excited to know Aston Martin CEO Tobias Moers has confirmed 2 hybrid models are coming in the next couple years. How fast is an Aston Martin DBX? When we tested the DBX, it slung to 60 miles per hour in 4.0 seconds and ran the quarter mile in 12.5 at 111.8 miles per hour. Those are strong numbers, but don't quite compete with the likes of the Lamborghini Urus, Porsche Cayenne Turbo, and Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. That said, a higher performance DBX AMR is on the way. Looking at top speed, Aston claims the DBX will hit 181 miles per hour. Technology. Aston Martin doesn't skimp on tech inside its six-figure SUV. A 10.2-inch infotainment display and 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster are both standard, as are Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 360-degree camera system is also included on all models. How much does an Aston Martin DBX cost? Short answer: a whole lot. The 2021 DBX started at $179,986 and it's safe to assume the 2022 model won't be any cheaper. What's more, that price can easily inflate with expensive options such as $15,200 for Q-exclusive Aurora Blue seat trim, $10,600 for the twill carbon fiber upper exterior package, or $7,600 for fancy walnut interior trim. Other exotic luxury SUVs: Bentley Bentayga, Land Rover Range Rover, Rolls-Royce Cullinan.